Marie, the Coupon Queen, and welcome to another really hot Black Friday deal video. So, Kohls.com or in-store is having an amazing sale going on for small kitchen appliances. So, in the description box, I'll make sure I have the exact link for you guys so you can click on it and it'll take you to the page. I'll also make sure I put step-by-step instructions of everything I'm going to go over here with you guys in the video to make sure you can take advantage of this as well. We can get appliances from anywhere between under $3 a piece to just $3 for 3, depending on what you guys are purchasing. So let's go ahead and dive in. So you're going to go to the Kohls.com website. As you see here, you're going to type in Hamilton. Oh, come on, I can't type. Hamilton Beach Appliances. And again, that's already going to be selected in the link that I'm going to have in the description box. Then you're going to click right here, if you can see my mouse, the 25 and under. Those are going to be the ones we're going to want to focus on. So there are 14 different products that you can choose from. Any 14, just make sure that it's going to have a mail-in rebate listed on it. So I'm going to pick this one here. So right here, notice how it says rebate available, $12 rebate by mail. So you guys can pick any 3 of the appliances on that page. Just make sure you double click that it says rebate available, $12 by mail. So right there, you're going to only be paying $9.99 for the appliances, but it gets even better. If you look here a little bit further down, it says save more. Use code GIVETHANKS at checkout. Offer ends November 29th. That'll take off an additional 15%. So once you guys figure out what 3 appliances you want, you're going to add those to your cart. They have a Belgian waffle maker, which I'm actually going to add to my cart. Okay, so now we're going to view our cart and see what we have. So once you select the 3 items, I have 4 in here now, so I'm going to go ahead and delete one to make sure we're all on the same page. I'm going to delete this one. I don't need a quesadilla maker. Okay, so we have 3 in our cart. Total is $65.97. So that's the value of all of these items that you're getting. Now, I already applied that coupon code, so once you go to apply, you're just going to type in the word give thanks. Just one word. Doesn't matter if you use capitals or lowercase. You're going to type in give thanks and you're going to hit apply code. And that's going to take off $9.90. So now including taxes, it will vary. Obviously taxes depending on the state that you're purchasing in. You're going to be only paying $59.46 out of pocket. So it is a little bit of a higher out of pocket. So make sure you guys do keep that in mind. Make sure you have that money to be able to spare. But here's where the deal gets amazing. So delivery is going to be free because we're spending enough money to where it's going to be free standard delivery. So all these would arrive between the 4th and the 6th. So not bad there. On the right here, you can see that we're going to be earning $15 in Kohls Cash because what they're doing for their deals for Black Friday, every $50 you spend, you're going to get $15 in Kohls Cash. So if you're new to shopping at Kohls and using Kohls Cash, what happens is they're going to give you Kohls Cash. It looks like kind of like a dollar bill, and it says Kohls Cash on it. And it's going to print and tell you what dates you're able to redeem that for. So make sure you put that in your calendar on your phone to make sure that you don't miss those dates. Once they expire, they expire. But it does give you a good week or 2 to be able to go back in stores and use that Kohls Cash. So right there, they're going to give us back $15. So we're spending $59.46. We're getting back $15. Now we're only at $44.46. And don't forget, each one of these items, as you saw when you were adding them to your cart, qualifies for a $12 mail-in rebate. And here's the information on that. I will have this link in the description box as well. If you want to find that page, all you're going to do is type in here, Kohls Rebate, and it'll bring you to all the different rebates going on at Kohls. So Bella Appliances, Chaps, Crock-Pot, Cuisine Art. Farberware, Food Network, Food Saver, and here it is, Hamilton Beach. So you're going to click on that, and that's where it's going to bring up this Kohls rebate. So it's either in stores or online. Both of them end on the 29th. So run, or hop online right now and make sure you guys take advantage of this deal. So you're going to receive $12 mail-in rebate with the purchase of select Hamilton Beach kitchen electronics. All the qualifying products are here with the UPC and the SKUs. So if you are going in store, you can make sure that you're getting the correct items. So what I would recommend if you're purchasing multiple things from Kohls, if you're getting a bunch of gifts or jewelry or clothes, whatever, just put these 3 items on a separate receipt. That way, because you have to mail in the original receipt, and in case you don't get it back, you don't want other merchandise to be on it in case you have to return those or what have you. So it makes it a lot cleaner if the only things on the receipt are these Hamilton products. So you're going to submit the receipt. You're going to put the original barcode labels in there. Then you're going to mail it to Kohls Rebate Center in El Paso, Texas. You're going to fill this out, print it, and attach that receipt. And you're going to get $12 back per item. And it shows you here limit 5 per product per household. And we're buying 3. So we're going to get a rebate back on all 3. So 12 times 3 is going to be another $36 in rebates that we're going to get back. So right now our cost is at $44.46. And we're going to get back another $36. So our final out of pocket cost for these 3 small appliances is going to be just $8.46. That does include taxes. So for all 3 appliances, it's going to be just $2.82 per appliance. Imagine getting a really nice small kitchen appliance for under $3. Super, super hot deal. Again, it is a little bit of a high out of pocket, but once you get the mail-in rebates and the Kohls Cash, you can then go back into Kohls and use that money to get even more gifts or buy yourself something for all the hard work that you guys have done for Black Friday shopping. If you guys have any questions, make sure you guys drop a comment. Again, in the description box, I will have step-by-step what you need to do, all the links for you guys on how to take advantage of this really hot deal. But I wanted to make sure I shared it with you guys before it was too late. It does end on the 29th, which is Friday. So this ends on Black Friday. So make sure you guys take advantage of this as soon as possible. Don't forget. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any more amazing deals that I'm going to bring you for Black Friday to keep you guys informed and make sure you can get as much savings as possible. There's tons and tons of deals going on, and I want to make sure that I can pass those along to you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.